Welcome to College of Alameda. Your future starts here. So you want to enroll at College of Alameda, but you don't know where to start? Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we will cover all the steps you need to enroll at College of Alameda. Create a student account. Complete your COA application. Complete the Math and English placement. Complete the online COA orientation. Meet with a counselor. Enroll into classes. Learn about your financial aid options. As we move through the steps for enrollment, feel free to pause this video at any point and return to it when you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 1. Create a student account. First, go to CCCApply.org. Select College of Alameda from the drop-down menu and click on Apply. You'll be redirected to the COA homepage. Click on the Apply Now tab. Create an account and verify your email using the verification code sent to you. Once your account is verified, the application will ask you questions about where you live and classes you have taken in the past. Then, create a password and your student account is now set up. Step 2. Complete your COA application. Now you are ready to complete your COA application. The application will also ask you for a Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. If you have one, go ahead and put it in. If not, do not worry. You can select Check this box if you do not have a Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, or decline to provide one at this time. Go through the remaining questions and click Submit. Keep an eye out for a welcome email from College of Alameda. You'll receive your new Peralta student ID number within 1 or 2 days of submission. Step 3. Complete the Math and English placement. For this step, you will need your student ID number and your high school transcripts. It's helpful to have your transcripts in hand, but not necessary. All you really need is to remember the classes you took. Placement will help figure out which math, English, or English for speakers of other languages, ESOL, courses you should take. Follow the questionnaire. When you're done, take a screenshot or photo of your recommended English and math courses. You will need this information later. Step 4. Complete the online COA orientation. This virtual introduction to COA will help you learn about the COA community, resources, and services available to our students. Visit the link below for more information. Step 5. Meet with a counselor. Make an appointment with a counselor to help you plan your classes to help you meet your educational goals. Bring a screenshot of your placement results. Step 6. Enroll into classes. Go to sa.peralta.edu to log into your online student portal. Through this portal, you can enroll in a class, drop a class, access your transcripts and personal information, view your financial aid award, and make a payment. Step 7. Learn about your financial aid options. There are several resources and waivers that help you fund your education. Check the links below this video to learn more. Congratulations for making it this far. You are now ready to begin your journey at College of Alameda. Do you still have questions or need more help getting started? You are not alone. You can visit the COA Welcome Center in person, or you can give us a call, and we will connect you to the right person who can help you. Don't forget to check out the links below. Thank you for watching our enrollment support video, and welcome to College of Alameda. Your future starts here.